Kevin, thank you. It is a law that sparked controversy and outrage, as well as sympathy and imitators across the nation. And now today, the U.S. Supreme Court told Arizona it went too far in trying to stem illegal immigration. The court said the state took matters into its hands that constitutionally belong to the federal government. The justices struck down 3 major portions of the law, but upheld one of its most controversial provisions. That provision requires police to check people's immigration status while enforcing other laws if the officers have a reasonable suspicion they're in the country illegally. Arizona Governor Jan Brewer assured people that racial profiling would not be tolerated.
Civil rights will be protected. Racial profiling will not be tolerated. Senate Bill 1070 is equally committed to upholding the rule of law while ensuring that the constitutional rights of all in Arizona are protected.
In a statement, President Obama applauded the court's decision, saying he was pleased the court struck down portions of the law. So what does the Supreme Court's ruling mean for immigrants here in Indiana? Some Hoosier lawmakers have been pushing for stricter immigration laws like the controversial ones in Arizona.
It was a good news. It was a news. We agree with the court's decision. We are pleased.
Marlene Dotson is busy these days answering questions about immigration. She's the president and CEO of the Indiana Latino Institute, which focuses on health and immigration issues affecting Latinos in Indiana. She closely followed the Supreme Court's ruling on Arizona's anti-immigration law. And while pleased much of it was struck down, she's still concerned about the controversial provision the justices let stand, allowing police to check a person's immigration status while enforcing other laws.
So we're still concerned about that provision that can call for a racial profile just because a person looks different or maybe their names is different. They can be stopped.
She says immigration laws should be left to the federal government, not states. And she has a message for Hoosier lawmakers who are pushing for stricter anti-immigration laws in Indiana.
This is not about, just an issue, but this is about people's life.
Like the life of Mexican immigrant Juan Lozano, a husband and father of 2 who worries about the future amid calls for anti-immigration laws.
Because we come over here for work, and some people they don't say we're stealing people's job, but we don't. We just come for work.
And the Supreme Court's ruling comes on the heels of the deferred action process for immigrant young people. To learn more about this new policy, the Indiana Latino Institute is holding a community meeting on Thursday at 6 p.m. at the Julia Carson Government Center on Fall Creek Parkway right here in Indianapolis.